Hello teacher and hello everyone. My name is Vanratana Samad. Today I'm going to show you with some of my idea about problem analysis. Problem analysis is the process of identifying, understanding and defining the element of a problem to find effective solution. It is a key step in the problem solve and decision making. Problem analysis breaks down the complex issues into manageable components, allowing for a deeper understanding of its cause and possible solution. So before you writing the program, we should to understand what the problem actually and how to find out the solution of it and what will be the solution. So after that, you will be able to the program. Okay, this the step of problem analysis. So we have 5 steps. Step 1 is what? What is defining the problem, whereas it mean what we want someone to do or the solution that we want to get to solve the problem. Okay, next step is output. We use output to store the result. It is the result that we want or show the result. Step 3, input. Input to variable used to store input data. It means that is to store data to solve the problem. Okay, step 4. Step 4 to declaring the meaning of each variable. Okay, and last step is step 5, process. Process is the processing of the solution to get the result. And to make it short and easy to understand, let's look at some example. And for this example, we use it to find mathematical factorial. Okay, let's see. The number 1 is what? What? So the calculation of factorial. And what here means have to find a factorial. And the next, number 2, output. Output is so the number of factorial or so the result. Number 3. Number 3, input. We use num for input. And 4 and number 4 is variable. Variable we use num is the number that we input to find the factorial. And f is number calculation from 1 to num. Num for the number input already. And I we use for loop. Okay, the number 5 is process. In the process we have 5.1 for start, and 5.2 is the output. Output here means we use for input the number of factorial. And 5.3 input. Input here the mean of user input the num for calculation factorial. Number 5.4, if num is more than 0, then go to 5.5. The number 5.5, output. Output factorial if not defined for negative numbers, because the factorial cannot start from 0, it starts from 1. Number 5.6. The number 5.6 different from 5.4 because if num bigger than 0 following the condition loop. Number 5.7, for I equal 1 semicolon I smaller than equal num semicolon I plus or I plus 1. It mean of I smaller than equal num. Num for the number of user input for calculate factorial. Number 5.8 f equal f multiply I. Number 5.9 output. Output the factorial of num if f. And finally 5.10 stop. Okay, let's see a simple flowchart for calculation factorial. Okay, the first chart we have start and go to document chart. We have output. In output, you want to show the calculation of factorial, and go to input. Input num. For num is the number user input for calculation factorial, and go to read. Read for check condition num. If num smaller than 0, go to output. The factorial is not defined for negative number because factorial cannot start from 0, it starts from 1. But if num bigger zeros, follow condition loop. Go to child of process for I equal 1, semicolon I bigger equal num, semicolon I plus or I plus 1. And go to the next chart. We have f equal f multiply I, and go to output. Factorial of num is f, and finally chart view stopped. Thank you teacher and everyone for watching this video.